Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Private Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development and robotics. Today what I will be doing is using a publicly available dataset IMDb movie reviews dataset, or you can also use Sentiment 140 dataset if you want, but that is Twitter dataset. So for this session I will be using IMDb movie reviews dataset. Why to use this dataset? Because it contains 50,000 movie reviews in it. And yesterday what we did was this: we were giving the custom dataset or created the custom dataset, but as you know, the more and more data we give to machine learning model, better it will become. So when I run this yesterday's code, it was showing me the precision and everything, but look at the accuracy, only 50%. So after switching to IMDb dataset and giving large data, let's see the performance. Accuracy is at 81.81%, and I have also included many things in this project. So first, again I will tell you what this project was about. This is for sentiment analysis, natural language processing. I gave the brief overview of natural language processing yesterday, what it is and what everything means in natural language processing. Then I created this project, movie review project, and what will happen is, in this project, when we give any movie review or any text, it will find out the sentiment or the intention of the user. Intention can be positive, negative or neutral. Three type of things: either the thing is positive, negative and neutral. So if you look at the dataset that I created yesterday, I love the movie, it was fantastic, was positive. Movie was horrible, I hated it, was negative. So that kind of thing. And if you look for fifth one, it was an okay movie, not the best, so this was neutral. So it was not good, neither bad, so this was the neutral sentiment. So this is what sentiment is: positive, negative or neutral, three types. And what I did in this project is, I used the dataset IMDb, and it contains the review and then the sentiment. So let's see. So this is the review, movie review, and see, the sentiment is positive. So as you remember, in supervised learning we give input as well as output to train the machine learning model. So this is the IMDb dataset that I have downloaded, and I have not made any changes to it. It was in this CSV format only. Okay, so this is the code that I have written to do this. So what IMDb is a website where you can find the rating, reviews and things about movies and shows. So it contains the data regarding the movies, shows, etc. So here the dataset is available online about the reviews given by the user. I will tell you step by step how you can download it and how to run it. So starting from the very first thing, collecting the data. So this is the link, IMDb movie review dataset. When you open this, from Kaggle, you have to log in. I think without login you cannot download. Just log in it and click on download. Then you will get these options: download as zip, choose the location where you want to save. In movie reviews datasets folder, I will save this archive. Next, when you look at the datasets folder, now you have archive, and when you so if I open this archive.zip, it contains this IMDb dataset. So as you know, extraction part is very easy. Either you can do it with 7-zip, WinRAR, or the inbuilt system in the Windows to extract file or archive, extract archive. So extract here using 7-zip, and we have this dataset available in CSV format on our computer. So this is IMDb dataset. So why they give in the archive format, you can see the size difference, 25.7 MB for the zip file and 63.1 MB for the extracted file. So you understand the size will be reduced. Even I can reduce size more than this. 7-zip, add to archive, go to ultra level. Let's see the compression level that we will get with 7-zip. There are more formats that can compress the files more than this, but for just the experiment, let's see what we get. It was a 26 MB, I think, that I downloaded in the zip format. Now let us see in 7-zip format what we get. So there is some difference. The file I am getting is 16.6 MB, and the file I downloaded from the Kaggle website was 26 MB. So little bit more compression in 7-zip. There are more format for the compression, but I am just showing you why they are giving in the archive format, that you have to extract on computer to save your time and their time. They are doing this to send the things in archive format. Okay, so let's see the next thing that you have to do. Okay, so I was telling you the features I have added in this project. So the first thing is, of course, I am using the dataset so that we can use this model in the production. Second thing that I have added is I have saved the trained model files on the hard disk. Why? So that you can next time use these model files to run this program faster. So I will show you the difference when I train the model and then use it, the output, and then without the and the pre-trained model, the difference. So let's see, Python IMDb. So this will include the training process, training the model and then giving the output. Okay, so you have looked at the time, it took some time. Now let us look at if I directly run the model files without training anything. So you can see the response time. This is running on CPU. Because here we are using pre-trained model from these files, pkl files. So I will tell you the features I have added and how to use them. So let's see, in previous session I told you I have used naive Bayes algorithm, and this is the same algorithm. I think I have used this algorithm many times in multiple projects, and I told you the accuracy score and classification report. This is you can get these things from metrics, sklearn.metrics. Then part comes of for downloading and using this. I have shown you how to download this dataset. Now the part comes is how to read this CSV. So in pandas read underscore CSV function, you can use and pass the path to the IMDb dataset by copying the path and pasting it here. Remember to change the backslash with forward slash, and Next thing is, okay, so the pre-processing text part was from the previous session. So to convert the text to lowercase, to remove the punctuations, to remove the stop words, so all those things will be happen one after another using this function pre-process text that I created. Then this is the cleaned data. Then comes the part okay, so here we have model. So this is how you can save the model. So this is the model and this is TF-IDF. As you know, we have to train this again and again and convert these things again and again. So both these things can be stored in PKL file, and I will show you the size of these PKL files. So 18.1 KB, 16.3 KB. So this model is really small, but I told you to create some production level system, your models should be large. So the more amount of data that you use, the things will get better. So it depends upon the data you have. Make predictions. Okay, this is simple one, accuracy score classification report. And now the part comes, how am I using this, using the saved model files. So this is how you can do it. You can directly take this data from naive base model.pkl file and store it in a variable like this. Again, this for vectorizer you can do this, and rest of the part is same from the previous code. So if you look at this one, okay, so I have not shown you the output in a previous session, I think. So this is the simple one. So to tf-idf.transform cleaned review, and where are we getting these reviews from? So new review, I am passing the customized text, so you can pass any text you want and it will be passed through here in this function, and it will be this pre-processed text function will be called that I created. What it contains is remove the stop words, remove the punctuation and lowercase, because these are not important for predicting, or in the machine learning model these things are not important. And then comes the part of TF-IDF and transforming it to a vectorizer format to see the frequency of words, or in simple words that I told you in previous sessions also, machine learning model can understand these kind of formats only. So predict the sentiment. So this is how you run the prediction. This is how you run the prediction on the TF-IDF data, and if the prediction class is 1, then this will show, otherwise this will show. So this is the basic program that you will find in this article. So if you look at this code, this is the code that I am running right now. I have included everything here. So just remember how I included these things. I told you step by step how it works. I will continue this session in next video. See you in next video. Have a nice day.